How to borrow money from Cash App. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can borrow money from Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Cash App, unlike other payment methods, also lets you borrow a specific amount of money as long as you're eligible. Now in order to confirm this, there are specific criteria. One is that you must have at least some kind of balance left within your Cash App account, or that you need to have verified your identity. In order to fill in these criteria, you can just go ahead and then launch Cash App on your device. Once you launch Cash App on your phone, you want to come to the home tab over here. If you're eligible for a Cash App loan, which means Cash App borrow, right under more ways to add money, you will be able to find the option called borrow. But if you're not eligible, it means that your account is not verified and that you have zero cash balance. To fix this, you can just tap the add cash button over here. Make sure to enter the dollars worth of cash you want to add, and then after you've done that, you can verify your identity to continue using Cash App over here. And then after you verify the identity, Cash App is going to make you eligible to borrow money. Now in case even after you do all this, you cannot borrow money in Cash App, there is still one more thing that you can do. You can request the money to Cash App users. Now to do this, you can just come to the dollars icon, enter the amount that you want to request the money. Here you'll find the option called request. Tap the request button. Now simply select the contact to whom you want to request the money to over here. Once you select the contact that you basically want to request the money to, make sure to simply confirm it. Add a note, tap the request button. If the other Cash App user accepts your request, the money is going to be deposited to your Cash App account. That's it on how you can borrow money from Cash App. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.